Welcome back, my friends. This is Anthony at Model Maker's Hair, owner of Touch Up Salon and stylist for 15 years. I am going to break down Camila Cabello's brand new haircut. This is the hair of the week. So let's get rocking and rolling. So Camila got a new haircut and I love it. It's a shag haircut. We can see the article here from Us Weekly. Let's scroll down. Look at that. Look at those layers. They're so nice. I really love them. And the reason why is because she's a lucky girl. She's got like an oval shaped face. And you can tell that it's just loosened up her hair and lightened up her hair a lot. So I went on her Instagram. I did a little stalking to kind of see what's going on here. So here's a great picture of it. I mean, look at the movement that she's able to get. Look at the texture that her stylist was able to come up with. I mean, I was watching this video and just laughing because there's a dance that clients do when you really crush their haircut or their color, and it's like this and you can tell that she's got that going on. Like, her stylist is watching this and just loving this because clients don't flip their hair around and have fun with it if they hate it. So we can see that she's really got this lightness and the freeness and the texture and the movement, and I'm just totally into it. It's a really great haircut for her. It definitely works for her face shape. It definitely is bringing out more of her personality, which can happen with a great haircut for all you. And I was trying to analyze her face shape, so I was clicking through these photos, and she's not like a pure oval. She's a little bit more rectangular. This picture up here, it's kind of hard to tell because of her face being tweaked off to the side. But she's not a pure oval, so like, you don't have to be a pure oval to wear a shag. I mean, a shag hairstyle can work on a lot of people. It just depends on where the layering hits. For her, she's able to wear the shag with like the curtain bang up in the front, which looks really amazing. You know, it softens her, it's playful, it's fun. So what can we take away from this haircut? One, if you have a ton of hair and it's long and hasn't been doing very much for you lately, like you can see her length here, cut it. It's not going to make you a better person to have long hair. If you're attached to your long hair, it's your security blanket, leave it. But if you're willing to go for something new and you're willing to pop some layers into your hair and just allow it to be free, you know, it can really change the whole vibe of what you got going on. Like, I just love watching her dance in these videos because it's hilarious to me. It's like, yeah, I know that client dance. I love that client dance. Where so, it makes me really happy. Two, if you do have an oval face shape and you want something that'll soften you and lighten your hair up, consider a shag. Consider more layering going on. Consider curtain bangs that are longer. Like, you notice that she's wearing these curtain bangs, but she's not styling them the way that a lot of people have been styling, which is like straight across her forehead. They're kind of off and tucked to the sides. Because a lot of times when people are talking to me about curtain bangs, I keep picturing this, like, you know, bang that softly frames and then flips out. Hers are long. They're long down here, which is what I know I've given some of you advice about, that because your face shape or your hairline won't allow you to wear bangs down because it'll either close you off too much or your cowlick just won't let you do it. So this is opened up and free. And, you know, she doesn't have like a super tiny forehead. She doesn't have a really big forehead either. But it closes in the corners and it softens the hair line for her, which just looks really nice. Like, it closes down that space without making it look like it's just completely covered. Because you could do the same haircut and imagine if she had the bangs straight across her face, you know, you'd only see from her eyes down, and it would just have a different feel to it. It'd be a lot more edgy's not the word I want to use. I just feel like she'd be closed off, and I don't know if I'd like it as much. I'd probably still like it because it's a phenomenal haircut, and props to her hairstylist because it's a great haircut for her. Let's get some color on her, please. Something really fun to go with this awesome haircut. And yeah, so that's the hair of the week. Popped up in my Google feed, and I had to bring it to you guys and talked about it. So, you know, shags are still cool, okay? Even though the cool kids have moved on to mullets and waterfall shags and other looks, wolf cuts, you can still do your shag and be current and be cool. So let's do the verse of the day. It says, why am I discouraged? Why is my heart so sad? I will put my hope in God. Don't forget to put your hope in God, people. Don't forget to go to the Father and ask him for the encouragement that you need. He'll put people in your lives. He does it to me all the time, where I'm feeling down and blue, and then boom, somebody comes into my life and they speak a good word to me, and that's all I needed to hear. So I just want to bless you guys with that, and I will see y'all later. You know, just remember to submit those celebrities with their new haircuts if you're looking for expert analysis on it, and follow the socials, slap a like on this video, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Bye.